Welcome to a tutorial on how to set up a multi-boot computer by WordX8. My next frame I'm going to show you what it will look like from BIOS. Unfortunately, you cannot take computer screenshots in BIOS, so I took it using a video camera and it may come out a little bad. But when you first start up your computer, you'll get something like this. This is called BIOS. Some people may automatically skip it, but I'm just going to go through this just in case you may encounter it. So just continue. When the BIOS starts loading, in the right hand corner it may say something like loading grub loader, something like that. It'll pop up eventually, and then it'll pop up something like this. So this is called a bootloader, and you can just select the system you're going to start from. In my case, I set up a multi-boot, which you can choose from Linux, Windows Vista, or XP. What it does is, when it has a first loader, you get a choice from Ubuntu, which is Linux, or Windows Vista. And what this basically does is you can choose to run Linux, which is the top one, or you can go and you can start the Vista loader, which will then set up another loader where you can choose from Vista or an earlier version of Windows. For some reason it says that instead of XP. I don't know why. And then from here you can choose whatever one you want, and they'll load that operating system. The first thing you need to do is you need to set up the operating systems, and there's several different ways you can do it. I did another video on actually partitioning the hard drive, so if you don't understand that, check under the video information and there'll be a link to that. And what you need to do is you can have any number of hard drives you want. You could have 1, 2, or 3. It'd probably be easier to do 3 hard drives, but what you want to do is you want to have one hard drive or one partition that you install XP into. Then you want to install the next operating system, which would be Vista, and then finally Linux. So basically what you want to do is you can install any Windows operating system you want, but you want to install the oldest operating system first. So in my case, on disk 1, this entire hard drive is XP. And in the second hard drive, I would put Vista, which would be installed second, and the third hard drive, Linux. And then when you boot it up, if you install it in that order, then it should be all set, and you'll be able to set up a multi-boot, and you can run any form of operating system you have installed on your computer. The problem is you have to actually restart your computer to switch your operating systems. So if that's a problem, then too bad, you're gonna have to deal with that. Now, this computer management application I've opened, if you want to access this, you go to Start, you right-click My Computer, and you hit Manage. And then you'll bring up this, computer management, and under storage you need to click disk management, and then you'll see this little thing where you can check the hard drives. That's basically it. If you want to get the embed code to my video, then go to the right hand side of my video and click More, and then at the bottom of it it'll say embed code can be found at, and click the link. This should bring you to the same video at my River account, and the embed code can be found right at the right side. And you can just copy this, copy it into your website, or wherever else you want it.